Today I'm making molasses cookies. It's actually in the family. It's my grandmother's recipe, but it's an easy recipe. In the original recipe, it says it makes 75 cookies. It really makes only about 24. It only takes one bowl. Doesn't have many ingredients. You can find them all at the grocery store. The other thing I do to make it easier is I always set up all my stuff so that you're not trying to get the the measuring thing and doing all that kind of stuff. And I also read my recipes so that I make sure I have everything. And have you ever done a recipe and then you realize you're out of the main ingredients or something like that? Yeah. I turned my oven on to 350. So all you do is put your shortening in, and I've already got this pre-done. It's 3/4 a cup, and I love these because it's so much easier. I know they're more expensive, obviously, because if you just buy the shortening just out of the can, then you have to get the measuring thing out. But that's all right. I mean, that's easy, but it is cheaper than the pretty ones. But 1 cup of sugar, and I'm gonna just pop that right in, and I'm gonna go over here to my mixer. So I'm just gonna cream this, mix these together. The other thing is you want to make sure you have a big bowl like this, because otherwise it'll go all over the place. Then you add 1 egg. I don't remember who it was said it would be a good idea to put it in a cup first or a bowl first, because sometimes they can be bad eggs and then you've got it in your food, and I'm like, oh gosh, I would have never thought of that. I'm going to mix this up. And the other thing I do is I get a spatula, because then you can get the stuff off the sides. I just go around like that. Just makes it so much easier. And then I'm gonna sift all my stuff. This is spices, I'm just gonna put those in. With the flour though, I'm gonna sift it through this little thing. This is not really a sifter, it's like a drainer, okay? There is a sifter that you can do this, but that's it takes forever. This works much easier. And I've seen other people do it. You just pop this right in here. I'm just getting this a little bit, and then I'm gonna add my molasses. This is 1/4 cup of molasses. And then I just use this little thing. And then all you do is you take your fork and go like this and like that. Take a spoon, and then you just put a little sugar on the top, just like that. All right, so I put them in, and it's gonna be in for 8 minutes, but I check it in before then. I don't just leave it in for 8 minutes. So it made 38 cookies, so not close to 75. It makes enough cookies that, whole tin is filled. Well, not tin, but container is all full with the cookies. And they aren't like the soft cookies. They are, well, they're not like hard cookies or anything like that, but you can dunk them in tea or you can do whatever. I like to do that, but they're really good. And you can taste all the spices in there. They're really good. But that's just my opinion.